Kinabukasan ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ng mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob, MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
We continue the action dito sa loob ng Banana Court in Las Piñas for Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Live tayo again inside Banana Court. Baron Mercado covering the action. Region 2 Cagayan taking on Zamboanga once again. This time, Harbor Pilot. Sa aking pag-cover dito, for the last 2 days, ang daming beses nang nagharap nitong Region 2 at Zamboanga. Region 2 CDO, Region 2 Zamboanga. And so far, we're not disappointed sa mga pinapakitang performances. Actually, lahat ng players na naglalaro dito, especially today, because all of the games that will be covered for today's game day, lahat yan nagkampiyon sa kani-kanilang mga provincial leg. And so far, Zamboanga wearing white and red, taking the first 4 points of this ball game. Meanwhile, itong Region 2 wearing blue jerseys dito as a stop is made. Again, we are still in the under 16 division. Itong mga koponang ito, napanood na yung laban kanina between Eastern Samar tsaka yung sa Pampanga. It was Edison Jordan playing on that level. Ganda ng kanyang performance as that spin, that shot. Another solid start so far sa ating mga na-cover. Kung sino yung merong magandang simula, yun ang usually nakakakuha ng panalo. 8-0 run by Harbor Pilot Apong Cagayan. The squad calls for time, looking for their first points.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, klaro na to, wag kang
As we return to the action here, Harbor Pilot from Zamboanga with an 8-0 blast. Itong Region 2, let's see if this time out maka-score sila. Hindi pa nakakaupo yung kanilang mga kakampi, yung kanilang mga teammates. Seven minutes remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. A 3 graces off the rim there, off to the left side. The referee is pointing it to the other side. Balik ang bola sa Region 2. Looking for their first basket. Shot from the glass didn't go in. Balik na naman. Pagkakataon para dito sa Region 2 to score another basket in their name. Still 8-0 is the score. Nag-aantay pa rin ng opensiba ang Region 2, but on that last possession, turnover ang kanilang maiko-commit. Eight-0 run. Can they make it 11? That is way off. Solid defense by the Zamboanga squad, but a bit too physical as these players from Region 2 kept on falling down during those attempts, those steals ng Zamboanga. Again, a battle between Luzon and Mindanao once again. That is a traveling violation. Still standing with 5:39 remaining. Yung mga players ng Region 2, they make some necessary adjustments to see if kakayanin ba. A 3. That is off the mark. Gets that rebound. Pounds it inside. Fading away. Too strong. Is this the first opportunity for them? Hindi pa rin makakapuntos. Timeout is called. Again, having some struggles itong Region 2. 8-0 pa rin ang ating score.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag...
.8-0 run, 8-0 start. Zamboanga looking to add more points and one basket will count. That is a solid drive by Chris Basaya. Misses on that front free throw. 10-0. Defense still on point here. Makawala kaya? Is this their first 2 points? Talking about Region 2. A 3. Got it! So with 4 minutes 30, dun pa lang nakaupo yung mga players nitong Region 2. But that big 3 could have ignited a run. 5 straight points? Yes, they will. That is just a solid response here. Inabot man ng 2 timeout. Nakalimang sunod naman itong Region 2. One shooting that 3, getting that outlet pass and that basket. Para sa mga kababayan natin sa Apong, Cagayan. Special shout out. Whether you're supporting Region 2 or Zamboanga. Isang magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Another turnover this time. Region 2 naman na magkakaroon ng pagkakataon. Though I said it too early. Naabangan. (10-5) is the score. Playing defense. Nice recovery. Now on the run. 7 straight points. Erasing the defense. Merong foul na itatawag. So again, a sloppy start para dito sa Region 2. Nagkaroon ng difficulties to cross on that half-court line. Convert on their baskets. 5 straight points. Free throw area. Mintis yung una. So itong Region 2, nakukuha na yung kanilang momentum dito sa ating opening quarter. Kumbaga okay na. Nahimasmasan na sila. Pagkakataon naman ng Zamboanga dito dahil 10-0 to nagsimula. And you gave up 6 points and turning the ball over a couple of times. Here comes Region 2. Jumper from the elbow. There you go. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung nangyari sa timeout. But an 8-0 run to respond. No basket. Another rebound. Ngayon, may pagkakataon silang itabla ang laban. Maybe for the lead. Hindi pa rin. Fakes. Shoots. Gustong lumamang. Yes, sir! What a turnaround. 10-0. Ngayon 11-10 na. Offensive foul. Region 2 showing heart of a champion as early as the first quarter. Mahirap gawin yun. 10-0 yung simula. I-score kayo ng 11 sunod. Gawin mong 13. Mamaya na daw. Zamboanga ngayon ang nawawala sa kanilang mga opensiba at they need to be in control here. Again, there's no place in basketball for some action. Referees will talk things through. Nakita naman natin yon. Went for that dive. I believe there was an extra motion. May sikong naganap doon sa pagkuha ng bola. Again, if you're Region 2, cannot afford to do that. Ang ganda na ng bawi. 11-0 start. As you see on the right side, that's Commissioner Kit Picasso looking on. And the referees in front of him, sinisilip yung mga mangyayari. Again, need to regroup. Alam kong frustrating yung simula. Nakabawi kayo. Medyo nagraratel itong Zamboanga. Just cannot afford to give Zamboanga breaks here. Dahil pagkakataon na to para makalayo, makalamang if you are Region 2. Pero if you're Zamboanga, man, after a good start, 10-0, binigyan nyo ng 11-0 run yung inyong kalaban, yung simula ng depensa. Para sa inyo, yun yung nawala eventually because of that 3-point shot. So as you see on your screen, the referees talking to the coaches here. Again, no matter how good you are, no matter how important you are to a team, again, cannot have those stands, those fighting stands. So technical foul on Richie Orbita ng Harbor Pilot. Okay, so double technical was called. Pero yung nag-initiate ng contact for that elbow, that swing para sa Apong Cagayan out of the playing court. Yeah, because para dito sa kampo ng Harbor, itong si Richie, again, call for a technical foul, second motion. Dahil nga, syempre, hindi siya magse-second motion kung walang tumama sa kanya, and that fighting stance really made it up for that call. Again, just unfortunate if you are the supporters of Region 2. So a free throw made on one end. Tignan natin dito. So one free throw doon dahil sa technical. Two free throws naman dito because of that out of the playing court. Richie Orbita. Hindi mapapasok yung unang free throw. Ibig sabihin 12-0 run para dito sa Region 2. Still a 12-0 run. Pagkakataon pa rin para dito sa Zamboanga. Makabawi on that offensive end. Hindi pa sila nakakascore ulit after scoring the first 10. Kickball violation. Region 2 getting their momentums. Tulad nga ng sabi ko, this is a big possession for them. Hindi maka-score itong Zamboanga. Kailangan relax lang sila and continue doing what they're doing here. Going for that cross. Tignan natin kung madadagdagan ang kanilang kalamangan. under 16 basketball. 12-10 is the score. Goes for that bump, spin, extra pass, two-pointer. Di papasok yung jumper on the left side. Going to push Orbita for two, ending the run. Gusto ni Orbita ng field goal. Ayaw niya ng 2-point free throw. Nice pass. What a play. Looking it on that dribble and that find. 14-12. Orbita looking to do the same. Waits for a teammate at ayan na. Palitan na ng puntos, palitan na ng baskets. Knocks down the first one. Second free throw is in. 16-14. 7 seconds remaining. Zamboanga nagmamadali for that three. That is in at the end of the first quarter. Daming nangyari. But the three-pointer by Arnold Toilo Jr. gives Zamboanga a slim lead. 17-16. We'll be right back.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPB.
Second quarter action. That was an intense first quarter between Region 2 and Zamboanga. And now we are in the second period. Nice fake. Nice shot. Getting that ball in is Brian Apostol. Almost a steal by Apostol. Balik ang kalamangan dito sa Region 2. Under 16 Battle of Champions. The best of Region 2 versus the best from Zamboanga. Gets that layup to go off that steal. 18-19. A tight defense on that one. Nahirapan itong si Carl Cabocan makawala dun sa depensa on the other side. Now a defense na naman. This is how Zamboanga made that 10-0 run, yung kanilang pressure defense. So for Region 2, medyo na-solve nyo na yan kanina. Just continue to do what you're doing. As Carl all the way, babawiin yung turnover. Carl Cabocan turns the ball kanina pero makukuha nila pabalik. Jovita, merong kiskisan doon on that screen. (21-20). Our score. 7:05 remaining. Jovita will make the first one. Yuan Xander Jovita knocks it down on both free throws. 3-point lead para dito sa kampo ng Zamboanga. Masyadong mataas yung pasa. Another turnover on the side of Region 2. And just continues to score one more time. Nakakaila na naman itong Zamboanga. 5-point lead. Look at that defense. Ang sikip, hindi makahanap ng puwang. Forcing a traveling call na ipit itong si Tyron Tulawan on that side, no, sa saktong-sakto harapan ng kanilang bench. Tulawan was trapped. Easy basket. Thought he's going to slam it down. Ito na naman. Just like how our first quarter started. 27-20. Referees call a foul. As a Cabocan and company looking to score once again. Si Carl ang huling naka-score para dito sa Region 2. Sends it for that 3. Solid rebound. Nice box out by the big. Throwing it home. Lays up for 2. Nice finish on that layup. Getting it done. Battle of the bigs here. Failure to throw one off. Nakakuha ng follow-up. Able to secure that one is Morgado. 7:29-22. Four minutes 50 remaining dito sa ating second quarter. Zamboanga up by 7 points. Referees keeping it tight in this contest dahil nga kanina nagkaroon na ng scuffle, nagkaroon na ng initan between these two teams. Syempre gusto naman ng ating mga referees i-control yung mga players natin dito. Nice pass. A much needed basket on the side of Region 2. Timeout muna ang Harbor Point.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
For 17 remaining. Slipping. Pinoy step. Bitin yung layup on that reverse. Region 2 susubok na naman. Scoring earlier. Turning the ball again. And they will get another crack at this one. Layup on the side is good. Now they're able to get those baskets in, get those scores as well. Beautiful jumper. That is a nice turnaround. Joshua Makilan. Kanina niya pa sinusubukan yung move na yon. Finally, making that one as Carl Cabocan misses. Outlet pass. Touchdown. Arriving right on time, Sander Robita. What a pass by his big, recognizing that one. Tambilawan was able to make that pass.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa.
Tambilawan and company looking to extend this lead once again. Missing on that one. Krian with another outlet pass. That time meron nang nakaabang. Cabocan was ready but turns the ball in an instant. A quick layup by Sander Hobita. Zamboanga Arbor Pilot running through this break. Another layup. Hobita has been killing them on those transition breaks. Shooting over Tambilawan. That is off. Another running start. Guess who? This time, different player scores for them. Makilan naman ang i-score sa layup. Had a clean look on that three. Just didn't convert. Looking to wrap it around. Solid finish. What a look. Jude Verbo. A lot of transition. Arnold Toilo, who scored the last three kanina in the opening quarter, delivers the goods with a minute 30 remaining. Zamboanga, 13 na ang abante. Ang daming transition, ang daming outlet pass made. A three from the middle. That is off. Another shot. Carl couldn't get that basket to go in. 41-10. .point lead. Last minute, Zamboanga off to a tremendous first half start. Sayang yon para kay Makilan. And he rips it apart on that call. Merong foul na itatawag. Another turnover, another make. 43-28. Nice sidestep, evading Tambilawan. Ngayon, isa pa. That's just how quick the Zamboanga players respond. Makakapuntos ang Region 2. Mga 4-6 na puntos ang equivalent for Zamboanga. Final 10 seconds to go. Calls for a play, final 5. Can they put up a shot? Goes for that drive. That won't work. End of the first half. All Zamboanga in this second quarter. 45-32.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Junior MPBL, ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino.
Start of the second half, naka-score agad ang Zamboanga Harbor Pilot. Again, kung babalikan natin yung nangyari first quarter, 10-0 in favor of Zamboanga. Region 2 made that run. What a pass in a basket. 11-0 yung naging kapalit nun. Nakalamang pa ang Region 2 at least by 2-3 points. A close first quarter, Zamboanga taking that lead back 18-17. Tapos biglang bumulusok ang opensa, lalong-lalo na ulit yung depensa at haba nitong Zamboanga. Nakarami doon si Sander Hobita para sa kanila on that second quarter, getting those layups, those run-ins. Also making some smart plays para sa Harbor Pilot, si Tambilawan. Daming outlet passes nun, just giving their team a lot of opportunities para maka-score, para makakuha ng runways. At yun ang na-take advantage ng Zamboanga, and right now, it is a 17-point lead. Looking to make it back-to-back. Itong si Christian Carumba. (53-34). Nakita ko sa ating comment section maraming nalulungkot na sumusuporta sa Region 2 dun sa kanilang score output. Again, the defense of Zamboanga really giving them a hard time, and yun nga lang on the other side, Brian Apostol tumama ata yung kanyang tuhod dyan sa upuan natin sa Banana Court. As everyone now looking at Brian, parang doon nga tumama sa kanto. Sakit yan. But even so, mas masakit yung ginagawa ng Zamboanga dito sa Region 2 squad, Apong Cagayan. Napakaraming plays na nagresulta ng madadaling baskets. As Apostol is being checked in, magbabalik po kami.
Ligan ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugo.
Apostol is still on the sideline. Chine-check ni Com Kit Picasso and ang ating medical staff. 55-36. Lumobo na sa 19 ang kanilang kalamangan. (55-36), and another error in the making. Buti na lang was ready to rescue that play. This 1-2-2 trap ng Zamboanga really is the main reason why nahihirapan itong Region 2 makakuha ng puntos, and that putback going in para dito kay Wendell Katuiran. The other side on that attack, nice stop. Tatakbo na naman ang Region 2, 17-point deficit. They have made one comeback kanina. Can they make another? Nice move by Carl Cabocan. 15 na lang. As high as 19. We will be back after this break.
Ligan ng bayan para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino, liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay, yeah. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na subok. Junior, MPBL.
5:55 remaining. A mini run by Region 2. Makakakuha na naman sila ng steal. This is a big possession for them. 1-2 step. Nakakita ng butas. Glian Sabes cutting the lead to 13 and another steal. Sabes one more time. Looking to pass it to the open. Tumama sa atin dito. Saktong-sakto. Nakakadalawa na yan. Oo. Pinasahan daw ako, sabi ni Sir Raymond. Hindi ko pa wala pa akong warm up. Mamaya siguro, mamaya. Anyway, a 13-point lead, make it a 15-point lead. So a better response, I should say, para dito sa kampo ng Region 2 in this third quarter. Yun yung mga pasa, mga opportunity na makakatulong sana dito sa Region 2 to cut the lead. Pass was too strong. Goes for that spin. What a nasty spin by Sander Jovita. They get the turnover once again. Lefty floater is in. Everyone here very excited. And now just allowing Zamboanga to score after they have made a basket. De La Cruz finds that three-man weave. Makukuha yung putback on the other side. 63-46. Tambilawan is now in another easy run-in. Again, you cannot make a comeback if you're not playing defense. Diba? I-score ang Zamboanga, i-score din ang Cagayan. How can you make a stop? (65-48). Naibaba na ng Region 2 to kanina as low as 13. Pero nung nakarating doon sa 13-point margin, itong Zamboanga naman tightened up their defense. And on the other side, yung depensa naman ng Region 2, yun ang medyo nawala. Kabokan spins, sends it, floater is good. Gets that drive to go. That's a Gab Soriano. And here you go, there's your stop. Can they capitalize? Soriano falling down on that catch. (65-50). 3 team fouls on Zamboanga. Region 2. Wala pa pong fouls with 2 minutes 15 seconds remaining. Sabes will pass it on the high post. Balik kay Sabes. A 3 ball. Got it! 12 na lang. Possession going back to Region 2. Again, see what happens if you score and you play defense at the same time. Hindi pwedeng maipagpalitan ng puntos itong Region 2 dahil Zamboanga lamang ng 12. Again, for the second time, masyadong malakas yung pasa. That time, Soriano looking to feed his big man Morgado on that last play. Hindi ata ready si Morgado doon. A minute 35 remaining dito sa ating contest. Third quarter action, 65-53. Jovita, a highlight waiting to happen. De La Cruz says no. (65-53). Nice recovery. Extra pass, better rejection. Balik pa rin ang bola sa Region 2. (65-53). 1:01 remaining. Dami pang oras sa shot clock. 13 seconds pa. De La Cruz attacks. Offensive putback is in. Lead is down to 10. Lester Orpilla making that offensive rebound and conversion. 65-55. Another steal. Another basket. Just can't do that if you're Region 2. Breaking free. Sabas! How did it find that angle? Sabes with that tough angle. Glian gliding on that last one. (6-9) 5-7 make it 71 points. And a steal again to end our third quarter. Can they score? No, they can't. They had an open look, decide to make an extra pass. 71-57. Zamboanga up heading into the fourth.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod.
Fourth quarter action. Bakbakang Zamboanga at Region 2 for Manny Pacquiao's Junior MPBL Battle of Champions. Getting another steal for the first 2 points of the fourth quarter. De La Cruz looking to get that back. Easy as 2 points para dito sa Region 2 off that turnover. 73-61. Breaking the defense once again. Luckily, napigilan ng Region 2. Again, a lot of taps, a lot of opportunities. Yun nga lang, jump ball ang tawag. Balik ang bola sa Zamboanga. 8 minutes, 52 remaining. Lamang pa rin ng 12 ang Zamboanga pero Region 2 kumakatok-katok na sa pintuan.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior MPBL para sa'yo. Ang
(73-61). Zamboanga protecting this lead that they have built on that second quarter. Apostol, nagbabalik si Brian after having a slight injury earlier. Passing it to De La Cruz, and De La Cruz cuts it to 10. Traveling call, yeah. Ang tawag doon ng ating referees. Can Region 2 make one last run? Masyadong mataas yung alley-oop on that play. Morgado went a bit too high. (73-63). They commit a turnover. They forced a turnover on the other side. De La Cruz will now have the possession. Big three by Brian. Apostol. Hindi papasok yung kanyang three-pointer. Almost a swipe. It is a swipe. Completed here by Zamboanga. Sander Jovita has been playing well for Zamboanga in this game. A turnover. Looking to run once again. Brian Apostol cuts the lead to 8. Down by at least 19 points. 8 na lang ang inahabol ng Region 2. Dribbling violation. 3. Brian Apostol hits that big shot. And a turnover. (73-68). Down by 19. 5 na lang. Nice stop. And we have a stoppage of play. 73-68. Apostol has been really good so far. (73-68). Region 2, their crowd getting involved in this one. Zamboanga needing an answer. They will get it on that shot. 75-68. Carl Cabocan had his moments early. Apostol throws it. Pass was intercepted. Or deflected, I should say. With 5:23 to go. Looking to cut in. Jumper. That is off the mark para Aizabes. Glian couldn't cut the lead to 5. Let's see if Zamboanga can answer with a 3. No good. Falling down on that rebound. I believe a foul will be called on Region 2. What a fourth quarter para dito sa mga players from Cagayan. Nice stripped. Better counter steal. Referees blowing their whistle. Balik ang bola dito sa Region 2. .431 to go. Can they cut the lead back to 5? Zamboanga looking to play some defense. And the final moments nung first half, yung mga ganong tapik resulting to a run. Ngayon, momentum lumalaban. Panig sa Region 2. Zamboanga will have 4 minutes 5 to sustain this lead. Nice pass on the inbound. Basket is in. Almost turning the ball over. 75-70. Wendell Catoiran was able to sink it in earlier. How will Zamboanga respond? Waits for a teammate. 10 seconds. Jumper. Off the mark. Cabocan looking forward. Spins. Balik dito kay Brian. Apostol will be fouled. What a spark is Brian Apostol. Looking to lead his team. Perhaps one of the biggest comebacks na nakita natin dito sa Battle of Champions. Down by 19 points. Baba sa 4. Couldn't get that bonus. Zamboanga ayaw naman siyempreng mahabol ang kanilang kalamangan. Stepping on the line. They had that shot, wanting to step back. Tumapak sa linya. Two minutes, 50 seconds remaining. 4-point lead for Zamboanga. 3 by Carl. Too strong. Kabokan looking to draw a foul. There's that foul. And an opportunity once again at the line. Wendell Catoiran. Siya yung huling naka-score ng field goal. Tignan natin dito if he can make it, cut the lead to 2. Missing on the first. Misses both. So isa pa. Knocks down the second. (75-72), a steal. 3-point lead. De La Cruz drives. Sends it to no one. Sayang. Can feel that momentum charging in. Could have been a big basket for Region 2. Zamboanga, they need this basket. Ball is tapped. Balik ang bola sa Region 2. A struggle on the offense. Giving hope for Region 2 here. 75-72. We have a timeout.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to.
(72-75), 3-point lead. Zamboanga looking to cut this one to a 1-point lead. Clean Sabes. Last 2 minutes. Nanahimik ang mga players ng Zamboanga on the offense. Are we seeing a wild comeback? Big free throws. JJ Simborio knocks down the first one. Simborio secures both free throws. Tatlo ulit ang hahabulin ng Region 2. Davao needs to lock up. Apostol has been that man for this Region 2 squad. Hitting that big three, getting those free throws to go as well. 4 team foul para dito sa kampo ng Zamboanga, and there's an action here between these two players. That is Sabes, and I believe on the other side itong si Lumantas. Off ball, nagkaaroon na ng kiskisan dito on the corner, just playing this defense in. Fakes De La Cruz, di makakakuha ng puntos. Last touch, balik sa Region 2. Final minute 30. We will have a break. 3 points na lang ang hinahabol. Can they tie this one or cut into one? Let's see what will happen.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na
1 minute 30 ang ating oras. Again, 1 minute 30 seconds. Apostol will be ready here to receive this pass. Sabes, jumper won't fall. And a steal. Carl Cabocan in and out. Another offensive rebound. Ball is on the ground. Muntik lang mawala sa balanse. And a foul will be made. 2 opportunities for Region 2 to get that basket. Talk about wasted opportunities. Those are 2 good and clean look. Sander sends it out. Off the mark. On the run. Apostol once again. Dangerous pass. Picked up perfectly. On the run. Rejected. And that ball apparently hit one of the Zamboanga players. Endless opportunities for Region 2. Can they cash in?
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, kabayad pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL.
74-77. Final 53 seconds remaining. Kabokan sends it to Sabes. Balik kay Carl, 3. Couldn't get that shot clock, or couldn't get a shot off. A shot clock violation. 40 seconds na lang. Zamboanga looking to hold on. Region 2 looking to make a stop. Jovita guarded by Apostol. Fakes on that shot, decides to spin. Basket won't fall. Here's Brian. Referees will call a foul. Both teams are in the penalty, 21.9. Apostol once again misses on the second. A bit too fancy was De La Cruz on that one. Could have made it an easy pass or force a foul. De La Cruz with perhaps one of the crucial turnovers in this game.
Liga ng bayan na to. Mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Gabay at pag-asa ng bayan, landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga.
19 seconds na lamang. Zamboanga, they will have a possession here. Can't make that basket. Balik ang bola pa rin sa Zamboanga. They're not fouling. Took a lot of time, but nakakuha ng stop itong Region 2. Hindi nga lang nila nakuha yung rebound on the other side. One player that started it all, Sander Ovita. Misses on the first. Makes 1 out of 2. Pwede pa tayo magtabla. 5.8 seconds to go. Ball is thrown. Carl couldn't hit. And there you go for this victory. Zamboanga escaping Region 2 Apong Cagayan. 78-75. Intense, high octane A lot of big moments in this game. Zamboanga pa rin ang nanaig. Down by 19, winning by 3, 78-75. More basketball action to cover sa aming pagbabalik.
Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga ng bawat batang Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Klaro na to, huwag kang sumuko sa gustong gawin. Isang pangarap, isang tagumpay. Yeah, gabay at pag-asa ng bayan. Landas pagbabago, pag-asa, ikaw ang mahalaga. Iba't iba, pero isang halaga. Nagkakaisa, nagmamahalan, nagtutulungan. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to, mga kabataan na sugod. Junior, MPBL para sa'yo. Ang liga, laro ng bawat Pilipino. Liga ng bayan na to. Huwag ka matakot, kaya mo bang akyatin ang mundo? Bawat bukas may pag-asa sa'yo. Yeah, ito ang tulay ng tagumpay para lumakas ang iyong loob. MPBL, araw mo na, laro na to. Liga ng bayan na to.